Welcome to the Green Ledger, a quantity surveyor's guide to sustainable construction and profitability. In today's rapidly evolving construction industry, sustainability isn't just an environmental concern, it's a financial imperative. This presentation will explore how quantity surveyors can lead the transformation toward greener building practices while enhancing profitability. Brought to you by the experts at DiyQspro, who specialize in bridging the gap between sustainable construction and financial success. Let's begin building a greener tomorrow. The green building opportunity. The construction industry stands at a critical crossroads. Responsible for nearly 40% of global energy-related CO2 emissions, our sector has both a tremendous responsibility and an unprecedented opportunity to drive positive change. Green building isn't just about adding solar panels or low-flow toilets. It's a holistic approach that considers the entire life cycle of a structure, from material sourcing to occupant well-being. For too long, we've operated under the misconception that sustainability and profitability are competing interests. Today, we'll challenge that notion and demonstrate how they're actually two sides of the same coin.
Business case for sustainability. Let's dismantle one of the most persistent myths in construction, that green building is prohibitively expensive. While sustainable features may require higher initial investment, they deliver substantial returns over the building's life cycle. The key is shifting our perspective from short-term costs to long-term value. Studies consistently show that green buildings command higher rental premiums, increased occupancy rates, and lower operational costs. For example, energy-efficient designs can reduce utility expenses by 25 to 30%, while improved indoor air quality can boost productivity by up to 15%. These aren't just environmental benefits, they're tangible financial returns that enhance asset value and deliver long-term ROI.
Role of the Green QS. In this new paradigm, the quantity surveyor emerges as a pivotal figure. The modern QS is no longer just a cost accountant, but a strategic advisor, a green QS who guides projects to achieve both ecological goals and financial success. As custodians of project value, QS professionals are uniquely positioned to demonstrate how sustainable choices translate to financial benefits. From initial feasibility studies to final certification, the Green QS provides the data-driven insights that prove sustainability isn't just good for the planet, it's great for the bottom line. This evolution of the QS role represents not just a career opportunity, but a chance to shape the future of construction. Concepts: triple bottom line and life cycle costing. To champion green building effectively, QS professionals must master the language and financial principles of sustainability. The triple bottom line framework evaluates success across three interconnected pillars: people, planet, and profit. A building with better indoor air quality, people, reduces employee sick days, boosting productivity, profit. An energy-efficient design, planet, drastically cuts operational costs for decades, profit. The most critical tool in your arsenal is life cycle costing, or LCC, which analyzes the total cost of ownership beyond initial capital expenditure. This includes operational costs, maintenance, and end-of-life expenses. Additionally, understanding the distinction between embodied carbon, emissions from materials, and operational carbon, emissions from building use, is essential as buildings become more energy efficient. Sustainable cost management strategies. Sustainable cost management requires a comprehensive approach across all project stages. During pre-construction, green feasibility studies establish the financial narrative comparing the ROI of various sustainability strategies. In procurement, QS professionals can green the supply chain through tender documentation that specifies sustainability requirements and supplier evaluation matrices that weigh environmental credentials alongside price. During construction, the QS acts as guardian of both budget and green design intent, tracking waste management and resource consumption while ensuring variations don't derail sustainability goals. Finally, in the post-construction phase, validating investments and demonstrating life cycle costing in action proves the long-term value of sustainable choices to clients and stakeholders. Green building certifications like LEED and BREEAM provide third-party verification of a project's sustainability credentials, enhancing marketability and asset value. These certifications aren't just badges of honor, they're powerful marketing tools that can increase property values by up to 10% and rental premiums by 3 to 5%. The QS plays a crucial role in navigating the costing and documentation for these systems. For LEED, you'll track and document materials with recycled content or environmental product declarations. For BREEAM, you'll provide evidence of life cycle costing analysis and calculate the environmental impact of material choices. Accurately budgeting for the entire certification process, including fees, specialist consultants, and documentation, is essential to avoid surprises and ensure a smooth path to compliance.
Trends and technologies. The role of the QS is evolving at lightning speed, and staying ahead requires embracing new technologies and trends. 5D BIM, building information modeling that integrates 3D models with time and cost data, is becoming an essential tool, allowing for instant quantity takeoffs and real-time cost analysis of sustainable material alternatives. Carbon calculation software is moving carbon from an abstract concept to a manageable metric, while designing for deconstruction principles are creating buildings that can be easily disassembled for material reuse. Additionally, social value is emerging as a quantifiable metric, requiring QS professionals to measure and cost the social benefits projects deliver to communities. The future-ready QS will leverage these tools to drive both sustainability and profitability.
Our blueprint for a sustainable built environment. The transition to a sustainable built environment isn't just a trend. It's the most significant business transformation of our generation. As quantity surveyors, you are uniquely positioned to be at the heart of this change. By embracing the principles we've discussed, mastering life cycle costing, championing early-stage involvement, greening your supply chain, and leveraging technology, you can move from being cost managers to value creators. You become the professional who can prove, with hard data, that sustainable construction is not just good for the planet, but great for the bottom line. The journey starts now. Take these strategies, apply them to your next project, and start building the future. Visit DiyQspro.com for advanced tools, masterclasses, and personalized consulting services to help you lead the green building revolution.